Hi, my name is Kenny. I'm part of the group named Outliers. The brand that we're working with is Huram's Baklava and Confectionery, and the problem statement that we have received from them is to increase footfall at their physical stores. Initially, when we got this problem statement, the reaction of all our teammates was everybody was excited and confused at the same time because all of us were working together for the first time. But we decided to work in a systematic way by creating the team charter first. For us as a team, our vision was to foster a sense of unity, and our mission is to work together and create value based solutions. And the core values that we believe in are empathy, diligence, and incisiveness.
Hello everyone, my name is Parth. So I was responsible for the secondary research for the JCL project we were given, and at first it was very exciting for me for doing the secondary research. I went to their website first to gather all the information I can gather. After that, I went for into the looking for the into the social media pages like Instagram, YouTube, and try to gather data. And eventually, at the end, our industry mentors give us a lot insightful data about the brand. At first, we were thinking that they have too many competitions, but as we talked to the industry mentor, he told us that that these are not the competition and there are very few of them, which we did take at the first, but we have to remove many of them. So as the journey begins, I thought it was the problem statement was a bit easier and it was going to be a piece of cake for us to solve it. But as I did the research and there were too many misleading articles and false information, and we have to refine it. We have to process every data we got. We have to only put relevant data in our in our document, so it will be relevant for our problem statement and for the future as well. And for me personally, it helped me a lot. As first I am a fresher, so I don't know uh, what industry industry actually works like. But after the doing this JCL program, I got to know how the industry works, how timeline work, how what is deadline, and how we must focus on deadline.
Hi, I'm Himani. So, post our secondary research, we decided to visit the outlets as well because we wanted to understand the company better and also observe the loopholes so that we can strategize our solutions in a better way. The main challenge here was that we were not able to find the right time slot where everybody was available. So, this definitely helped us understand the importance of teamwork, communication, and flexibility for the team. So in the Fort outlet, we noticed that it was a very bigger area in comparison to the BKC one, and we also tried their flagship food, which is the baklava, and we found it very interesting. The flavors are very nice. This was the first time we all had tried it, and we spent almost 2 hours there and observed what kind of consumers were coming in, what people were ordering there, and also we tried the Turkish coffee and tea. And at the BKC outlet, we were there mostly to collect responses for the form that we were circulating.
So my name is Janam Barot, and I'll be speaking about the research part, which caters to the survey part in specific. So we brainstormed a lot in order to gather information as to how to create the questionnaire. The questionnaire contained questions ranging from general questions to specific ones. Now, in order to conduct the research, we went to different places, BKC, Bandra Kurla Complex, and also Bandra Fort. We got an eclectic mix of responses from the people we approached, and so a lot of people actually had idea about baklava, but not our brand. So the primary challenge was to raise awareness in people. Apart from that, what I have learned is how to be on time management to be specific, and how to make plans, how to make schedules, and then how to execute the plans that we have made.
Hi, my name is Jatin and I am an all-rounder team player. I am always there for my team whenever needed, whether it's been submitting deadlines or doing any project. So after getting the primary data from our questionnaire, we found out that 72% of the total respondents were unaware of the brand, even though people who consumed baklava was unaware of the Hurram's brand. So initially we had a different strategy, but now after finding out that there is a lack of awareness, we came up with a different solution, especially talking with our industry mentor and with our faculty mentors. So they helped us realize to walk towards our common goal. So before this GCL project, I thought this is going to be a very easy one, but because I have worked before coming to the college, but while working on this project, I realized that it is a lot different from what I have worked, because I have worked in a media industry and this is a consumer good. So working with different teammates across different industries and different qualities, I have learned to work in synergy, and I'm really grateful for this opportunity.
Hello everyone, my name is Jesslyn. So while going through all the process, the key opportunities which we thought was, number one is the store lacked outside visibility. So our team came across that we should go forward with some posters or campaigns that would make the store more visible from the outside. We were also going through looking forward for some digital solutions, but one thing we realized was that what we need is the footfall to increase in the store. So what we are doing is currently redesigning, rethinking our ideas. One more strategy which we thought about was collaborating with influencers who have high engagement rate. This would increase the awareness for the brand store. So that is something all of us are currently working on. One thing which I personally learned from this project is that everything needs teamwork, because it's not possible that one person can do all the tasks. It's very important to delegate the task equally so that every person will contribute small bits here and there, and we can take a step back whenever we feel that okay, we don't know the solution of a problem. A team member can step in and help us in that solution. So it has been an enlightening journey for me, and I hope to work forward with this team as well.